Ni bukan yang dengan Nuah semalam ke?
Ya, saya dah broken dengan dia bang. Abang jangan sebut nama dia.
Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan. Hi, hello.
Lain macam Ryan mana? Hello Ryan. Kenapa Ryan? You miss your B?
Of course, but I miss you as well.
You miss me also?
Selamat datang ke saluran Pulau Gempar.
Ashi. Apa? Ashi is home. Korang.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Saya tak pernah ni ada orang-orang masuk live ni.
Ya ke?
Ah,
Ashi tu apa Ashi?
Ashi ni si.
Oh, anak. Anak.
Oh, kawan saya punya abang punya anak. Alamak, Ashi no.
Kawan saya punya abang punya anak.
Ah, kawan saya punya abang punya
Nama
anak.
dia Ashi.
Taklah, nama dia. What's your name? Tak tahulah nama, tapi panggil Ashi je.
Kejap cakap Melayu, kejap cakap orang putih. Padahal orang Terengganu je rasa ni.
Orang Sabah.
Oh, sabar. Nama apa?
Audrey.
Audrey. Duduk mana kat Sabah lah ni?
Tak, Semenanjung.
Kalau batuk tutuplah mulut. Ngecik tadi tu.
Tak nak spray semua sakit. No, cannot. Pedas.
Ashi nak susu tu.
Ashi baru balik. Jalan-jalan.
Ashi bawa balik jalan.
No, cannot. Ah?
No, Ashi cannot, please.
Cannot Ashi. Dia
Cannot,
nak
Ashi.
pergi
No,
sapi
no,
tadi
no.
dah lama.
No, Ashi, please. No, Ashi.
Nyo. Ashi go sleep. Pukul 1 dah Ashi.
Tak apa, saya ada kerja jap.
Salam.
Ni bukan yang dengan Nuah semalam ke?
Ya, saya dah broken dengan dia bang. Abang jangan sebut nama dia.
Dah broken dengan dia?
Ya,
Suka kat Nuah ke?
tak adalah. Dia bagi saya harapan.
Dia bagi itulah dengan zaman sekarang ni lelaki tak handsome lagi banyak playboy daripada yang handsome.
Saya rasa nak cari yang handsome lepas ni.
Takut yang handsome tak nak pula kat adik.
Itulah pasal. Tak apalah.
Tapi cakap yang tak handsome pula je ni. Fake hope kan.
Betul.
Dia cakap apa dekat Isha?
Tak tahulah ayat manis.
Contohnya?
Contohnya dia ada saya seorang je.
Kalau digigirkan Isha orang yang ke 457,000 orang dapat ayat tu.
Ya ke?
Senang.
Malam saya dah percaya dah. Sampailah abang masuk live tu.
Memang betul-betul percaya kat dia.
Ya, saya percaya.
Aduh, senangnya jatuh cinta.
Adalah saya.
Macam mana?
Saya nampak je selama dia live macam tu. Saja je saya gurau dengan dia.
Tapi kalau betul-betul dia tak macam tu, suka kat dia?
Ha?
Isha ada boyfriend?
Tak ada.
Tu dah ada anak lah tu.
Adik.
Wah, Dik. Isha kalau nak cari lelaki, kena cari lelaki nama Atai.
Atai, kenapa?
Sebab yang abang kenal, kalau lelaki nama Atai ni yang pertama dia pemurah.
Oh, tak baik.
Apa pula tak baik?
Pemurah lagi.
Pemurah, dia suka bagi singa.
Singa lagi.
Suka bagi.
Try tengok singa tu macam mana.
Kejap, Atai tunjuk je singa kat sini satu, Tai.
Oh, kasut kat sana bukan kat sini.
Ini pun tengah reduk tas sekarang kan. Sini lah dulu, lebih-lebih nanti bawa ke sana. Nama Atai. Lagi satu kalau nak cari ni, kena cari. Kalau cari calon suami, kena cari duda.
Duda.
Jangan cari laki bujang, jangan cari laki orang. Cari yang dah duda.
Tak apa, saya ikut nasihat abang. Lepas ni kalau duda je saya reply.
Kalau duda ni, dia ada pengalaman.
Pengalaman macam mana tu?
Dia tahu macam mana bila perempuan mengajuk, macam mana bila perempuan marah, macam mana perempuan ini tu ini. Itu
duda. Maknanya duda yang handsome lah.
Nak kata tak payahlah handsome sangat. Dia sedang-sedap mata memandang lah.
Oh, faham.
Dia sedap.
Maknanya kalau ada mana-mana yang duda yang handsome sekarang, bolehlah PM saya.
Tapi sebelum dia PM tu dia kena lalu tol dulu.
Tol mana tu?
Tak baik.
Tol Great.
Tak baik. Isha duduk mana?
Saya duduk Perak juga. Tapi
Mana
sekarang
Perak?
duduk Pening. Asal Perak.
Kat mana Perak?
Perak kat Kuala Kangsar.
Oh, aku ada.
Yeah.
Nuat.
Atau Mika orang ingat orang mana?
Tak tahulah teman, tak tahu Mika orang mana. Tapi kalau Nuah nak kat Mika, betul-betul Mika nak ke?
Tak nak lah, Wak. Awak tahu dia orang mana.
Ya ke tak nak?
Ya. Awak nak cari yang setia je.
Alah, nak yang...
Awak tak siap yang kopi tu.
Awak tak siap orang itu?
Kalau boleh yang tak nyemuk kelambu.
Kalau Mika betul nak, Kemal nak kanan kan? Tapi diam kan?
tu.
Tapi masalahnya tak turun apa malam ni kat dia. Jadi tak ada apalah. Tak
Ya
apalah,
ke?
jangan. Sekejap lagi kalau Noah dah datang, teman invite Mika balik. Tuan nak sound.
Okey, baik. Awak turun dulu ya.
Teman nak sound di depan Mika je.
Baik.
Jangan
Bye-bye.
percaya orang senang-senang.
Yalah, awak percaya benar.
Bongok.
Itulah. Awak turun dulu lah.
Bye, Assalamualaikum.
You speak English? I know you speak English.
Ryan?
Hi.
Ryan?
Yeah, Ryan. Hi. Hello.
Lain macam Ryan. Hello, Ryan. Kenapa Ryan?
English? Speak English?
Cannot.
Where are you from?
Me?
Yeah.
Pakistan.
Pakistan. So you speak, is it Hindi?
Ya?
You speak Hindi?
Boleh chulia kau na pyar hai tumpah
Okay.
terair.
Okay.
Koh mein hi gaya.
Okay.
Yaro yahe, kaho yaro yahe, peri charta hai. Pujko karo hai, achne kare kaho.
Okay.
Ni mane tu ni na dubana, chache me jene chidi achne, kaho pe hi gaya. Kaho mein hi gaya. Kaho kya ho rahe, karo ya ho rahe, tu musta aaye, pare ruahe. Yeah? Oh no?
Yo, that's good. That's good, man. That's good. I ain't gonna lie, man.
You love that?
That's nice, nice. So you are a singer.
Yeah, singer.
That's good, that's good. And you live right now, Pakistan.
Ya, Pakistan ada kacak mana lah lu jabnya kan ya lah. Mahala kama ni kamu ni kata pun lah cahala.
Takut Bini? Takut Bini. What's that?
Ma kete mata tau kata mata taka. Hala katu kutu. Why you?
Yeah. Tell me.
Kami nya cai malah kaput na purnya pur marku ni na. Ale kece mana kata pun ni na pa na hikaru na porare.
Wait, you from Pakistan, right? Not Malaysia, no.
No.
Pakistan, okay. Pakistan. Wow. Hey, Nitish, are you awake?
Bedak sejuk malam-malam.
Sebab suka.
Oh. Nak tidur dah
Tak ada lah, tengah jual baju.
Jual baju mana baju?
Ni,
Baju apa tu?
baju hoodie.
Jual baju sambil baring?
Tak.
Oh, ni tengah duduk lah ni.
Duduk.
Hoodie baru ke bandel?
Bandel je.
Berapa ringgit satu?
RM20.
Murah. Tapi kalau jual muka macam ni ada orang nak beli ke pakai benda putih gitu?
Ada je.
Ada kan siapa nak beli hoodie RM20 boleh masuk live dia ni Okay dek, sambung berniaga.
Okay, terima kasih.
Hi.
Hi,
Where are you from?
I'm from Texas.
Oh, Chicken Texas.
Why do you have so many people watching you?
I'm actor.
What?
Actor.
You're an actor?
Yeah.
From where?
Asian.
You have a lot of people watching you. What do you do to keep them entertained?
I'm just talking only, brother. Brother pula sister. Talking only. Talk.
You only talk to them and they stay there the whole entire time?
Yeah, talk only every time.
Guys, he has 5,000 people watching him.
Hi.
How the hell
How the hell?
Yeah,
How the hell or what the hell?
like how do you keep them entertained the whole entire time?
Yeah. So you have many? How many you?
I have 520.
Yeah.
You
Many.
have 5,000.
Same. Five. You five, me five. Same. Five. Yeah. You five,
Oh,
me
you
five.
have 1,000.
But you have in your bank you have 1,000. My bank don't have 1,000. Only 100.
No.
You don't have 1,000.
You dance?
Yeah, I'm dancer.
Let me see.
Yeah. Helicopter.
Okay. Interesting.
Rever.
You got skills.
Ha, rever I can. Liquid. Ombak. Wave. You can do?
I can't do that.
Yeah. You cannot do. Hi, Kia.
Hi, how are you?
You still remember me?
Of course I do. We were yesterday on live, and you?
Yeah. I'm okay. Hey, where, B, where?
I don't know, where is B? Știți că se are pe live? Ia duceți-vă să vă
No,
uitați.
you don't call here B, B, you call here.
Yeah, I know, but B, today I didn't see him. Are 6
Da.
pe live acolo.
I think B tidur, sleeping.
Da,
Yeah?
nu-i așa? Sleeping, but what
Yeah.
time is in Malaysia now?
Now Malaysia 3 a.m. What time you want to come to Malaysia, Kia?
What time? Maybe like 1 month and a half I'll come to Malaysia.
If you come to Malaysia, you want to find the Barbie?
Also, yes.
You want to play jet ski with the Barbie?
Yes.
Oh,
Will you be there? Where do you live in Malaysia?
Me?
Mama? Yes.
I'm stay in Johor Bahru.
Oh, is this far from Kuala Lumpur?
Yeah, very long from Kuala Lumpur. So if I want to go to Kuala Lumpur, I must to take time like 6 hour.
Oh, 6
Very
hours?
long distance.
Oh my God, you live very far away.
Yeah. Because Malaysia very big, you know. So if
How
you
old are
come to
you?
me,
Yes.
24.
Oh, really? You look very young.
Yeah, really?
Yes.
Yeah, all people say like you, but I am 24. Next year I'm 25.
Really?
Really?
When is your birthday? Yes.
Yeah. So if you find the Barbie, you call to me, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. You miss your B?
Of course, but I miss you as well.
You miss me also?
Of course, yes. Now we are
I'm-
all friends.
Yeah, I'm so scared if you miss me because you find me like tomorrow first time.
Yesterday, yes, yesterday.
Yesterday. My English not good. Thank you because you unbreakable for me. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So now you at the home?
Yeah, now I'm home. Do you celebrate Christmas?
I know because I'm not celebrate Christmas. I celebrate. I don't celebrate anything because I'm now focused to work.
Really? Oh, yeah, you have your own business.
Yeah. Because I want to make money and I want buy I want buy planet Pluto.
Oh, okay.
I want buy planet Pluto to make a garden.
Okay, so what is that? What is that?
You don't know planet Pluto?
Planet Pluto?
Yeah, planet Pluto. I want to make.
Pluto.
Yeah, I want buy to Pluto to make garden.
Oh,
And
wow.
I
Can
want-
you take me with you?
What?
Can you take me with you on Pluto?
You want follow me go to Pluto?
Yeah, of course. Can I join you?
You don't scare only you and me and the Pluto?
No, of course not.
You not scared?
No, me, I'm very brave. You didn't know that?
You not scared? I'm scared.
You're scared. Why are you scared?
I'm scared lah because you and me only in the Pluto.
Yeah, so what's wrong? It's okay. It's safe because it's safer than planet Earth, right? Just two
Yeah,
people.
but you must careful. The Pluto have many alien.
You think? But I think me and aliens very good friends.
You friend with alien?
Of course, we speak
Yeah,
the same
yeah.
language.
I think I want make a village in the Pluto and I went to you know coconut.
Monica are 24 de ani. Yeah, of course I know coconut.
Yeah, I went tanam coconut in the Pluto because
Oh.
because in my country Malaysia, coconut very strong, very struggle to find.
Really? Is it difficult to find coconut in Malaysia?
Yeah, because that I think I don't have tanah to tanam pokok kelapa and I think I want to buy Pluto to tanam the pokok kelapa to make money lah in my country.
Oh, I see. Da, nu
Yeah.
este el mai slăbuț, așa sunt.
Are you can swimming?
If I can swim?
You can swim?
Of course I can swim.
Oh, I cannot swim.
Why you cannot swim?
Yeah, because I'm very scared with the water.
Oh, no, you
Yeah.
should not be scared of the water. Water is good. Look how beautiful is the water, see?
Yeah, water very beautiful, but I'm scared if I swim the water, my face slam in the water, I find the shark. I'm very scared. I do shark in my beside home. I'm scared. Shark. You scared shark?
No, not really. I'm very brave person. Plus, there are not sharks everywhere.
Yeah. You don't scare shark. Shark. I'm die. You die.
Nu are sub 18 ani 100% pentru că are foarte mulți urmăritori și cu siguranță face bani din live-uri și dacă nu ar fi, nu ar putea să scoată banii, nu e chiar așa de așa.
Dia baca jumpy guys. Dia baca jumpy.
A what?
No. Kia, wait. I come back.
Terima kasih kerana sudi menonton. Jangan lupa subscribe, komen, like dan share.